Yemi atiefo nyina kwa ba na afeya busua. Dwedwedam se keji madam awo bi akwada zipu e wo Facebook no so. Wa dwenkyere ya mabrofo no mu na ho wo de brand ni a. Ye be kenkan ni nyina de asomo e wo Facebook no eso. Ye se kasebo no ase. Womanfo ne adehye a wonom e wo adan magazine aboabo wawase ene nkrakan e wo poye mantamu. Ye ka se womo ene aposifo a wonom efri eye counter terrorism unit. Ghana Police Service edi abo ani ewo enkrakan eni kofuodu akwantempo no eso ne nyina no ene se womanfo no echirim se efiti yanka to apens wonnie ana amanofo de wo madwene di agro se kwan no ye ba beye oh da bia no mba oh kofuodu eni enkrakan ekwan no ye ba beye ne nyina di amamo wo matena se hu se amanofo no de wo madwene edi agro na emfihia nwotwenie wo mo ewa ban mu aba honom be se empre be se num ne nyina so mba wo mo hyebo na wo mukirem se boshe no wo matena ho amasese akabos no miensa pe na mampani akufo ado afra ba mu nti wo mo entimi entra senti enura ana wo mutigo montre so ane wo manfo ne adehye ene nkroto be se num wo mutigo montre so na kire se demonstration chenchirenti ene wo mu buudua si kwan e ma sa abre no ahyenkafo a ekoba no na wo mabre yie papa efiri se wo manfo no ekirem se ekwan no a enye nti no ama wo mabra bo ntimi nkonkan na wo mukirem se akwan boni nti akwanhia ana dane da no kofuodua ani nkrakan ekwan no so no da bia no esie wonom ekirem se be te se enefu akakra nie enipa mako be se edu okada riders ene kire sukufo ana se wo mu wuo ewa kwanhia mu anie ni nyina no ene se ekwan no enya papa enu nti da no a ene wo mu bo Okogyeamu a ye nchede wo biada eti go montre so trotro placards ahodo so e kan samde atere mampani ekufo ado ene na aban se emfihia nwotwenie boshe no wo mamen akasa boshe no ebeda ne action na wobra wo moni aposifo nde bo ne no assembly members mako enan baako ayi assembly member awo no wo adan ana assembly member awo aboabo assembly member awo magazine ana assembly member awo no so wo nkrakan wono manyina ekirem se anamo aposifo no tuye no entwa yefre se akwanboni a wo nam so wo mpotam hono no se wo mo antie tua enwu montre so anya de se aban wei ebetie wo mo ne anasechena mo mientie de course won bi e wo wonom ane aposifo no entem.
This road which serves as a vital link for the transportation of people and goods has fallen into the spy, resulting in several hardships for competitors, farmers, traders, residents, and who depends on it for their living activities.
What is our crime? What is wrong with us? Are we not the citizens? We beg you, Nanado, the President of the Republic of Ghana, Minister of Roads, this is Eastern region, this is your region. We beg you, come and help us. Brian Brewer had a some to your son and another say, while Mamma Yakana, my hair, I feel a year to Abba. We are less to sell the bed than they ever to one. Because they used to go the essay, a queer, a motorphone as they ever were so a young broker, I was to a Cuomo, as he has Sabine, and no Tosoba, Uto tie. Never be able to be an assay, and no even end 2 weeks, never in assay. Yeah, Brequano, yeah, Pamucho, Omu, Yamabron.
And this road is a major road. It carries from here to so many, even let's assuming today it is raining. But let me give you some 30 minutes. Just check this road, a whole of dust. In fact, we have been causing a lot of kata.
And then back in the day, I say, I mean, you might have used to, I had the moon, and to me. I'm sorry, my acquired mine. I quite say 4 years in here, 4 years, I don't know who you
that's no basically, I bought a new brand, yeah, bread, yeah, to me, quiet to me, ma.
Yes, as at today, you see the condition of the road. We are suffering about the dust. So today, youth from Nkrakan, Uhunya, Apeswa, Magazine, Ada, everywhere, we are on the streets to demonstrate to the contractor. We want to tell the contractor we are suffering. We are begging the contractor.
Enti ebusuani ayeti yei eya omanfo ne adehia wonom ewo adan aboabo magazine eni nkrakan ni nyina no ewo epoye mantamu a womo ekire se womo anto abasese bi wo mbeda ne nkoa nanso enne akwambode womo nam so nti se kan kwanhia ekum adehia wo honom ani enti womo entiase na oba ye Facebook no so wa wadwenkire ye beje atum eye DLFM 106.9 wodi brand a ye bekenkan nyina nso na eno achi no ana wohene a wote abanya so ewo edukrom akwadum eye nana asiedu oduro a wotoso enum wode ato aban anim se wo mane na wotwe mienu 2 weeks ultimatum se wa ma contractor no ama kwan no so amawie kwan no a ene abaye agima medupo wo de asi na abetedwe
no kura ni nyamianum ye kwan na ma ye nipa da sani na ye nipa ye wo kwan no so no wu adwuma wo kwan so nyina gugu na fe owie kwan ye ahefo na befa so mesra okadafo beyesia awu wo kwan yo so kasi pimpimu na fe obewie kwan no na ye nyina wuwu a na
ekosi sen so obi program din womanfo ne adehia yi wo hene anase wo hene a wo adukuro mu akwadum medin ade nana asiedu oduro ana wo kire sase wo de hia nko a akoa bedwane anunti wono ankasa de nano atomu bi a wama abane na watwe mienu se contractor na amaso de a kowa ni kowa emu nsam na wote ye no
yanto akasiebo no so a na ye momfa nwura mu ewo Mortuary Workers Association of Ghana etwanitia eka ne se mo work we de mo ye Ghana mpanimfo a wombo moden na ja omo ye adwuma ewo mukurabia wono maka se kirem se wombo mode de beto Ghana de hye nyinanum se wono mo bra pam ahukire nti omo te ho de agumonten so ayo ye kira ka kira ban se enya de ometo akwaso ye adwuma firi se wonom ebre pam nanso ade hye asa ba bonten so atwasi abeka kira sentrofo se yen kan kira Ghana fo nyina se aginasie no musi ye no sisi o ma se sa o ma dwen de sente o aban no chesene na watwe makon mienu pe saban ensesa na adwen no musi aginasie foforo na wo na abisade ahodom de to aban ni mu no onya fa mante sade a obesa ahase asa akwakope bia akotena no po mame na omse wabusuafo anuane matimi atin na de enti a adihye ekyem so mo ye kire ne se wono maka se ekyem se sika huduo bia esa abade ma wono mo no aban entua afinsu dwumade na mudie no ma po mudi ne ma huduo bia eka ho asa abade ma wono mo no so condition of service abia yinani watwe ani se sabe tesene penibone a wayi mframa wotwam we na adwense nyade obeti wono mo kran empenifo ekyem se sika bia kaka dwa musika na chepa papa wono madan adan sa aban na adwense sika na obetimi atua no penin pa wono no oye twotwofo penin edima kwe Richard Kofi Jordan wakasa ekyem se yankopo ya adoma jesene ehine busmede ya ni meche October 10th saban entimi no omansia jesan ka sampa mfa nkyera omanbetua sika ne de aba abisabiri bera mo de ato abani mu anya pe o mesa to mo agumontere so asan ayo ye kire o mo kase na o mesa kire mu se ni ma wodo bi e ha o madwen ye pa ne se o mudwuma de mu no ayam vrama bi afa mo hwini mu no ano oden ti san bo ama wo mo betimi ayale nti o mo hia pipi ni ma wodo betimi abom de bo mo ho ban na timi aba wanyale wahodo bi so entimi enka wonom ade hye yi tirem sa ba hye wonom bo e wo COVID-19 mu 2020 ni mu se ena mbode bo mo bo ye o ma COVID ne ba ye nka ba twa sika bi si wo se nka sa sika yi odmama ade hye nso mu kirem sa banya ntua ni senti Kofi Jordan Richard o kirem se odi aba ho ye power na mo awatu no ni senti yakopo ya ade mahinu bosu me de tosu du saban amfa sika mfa mo pa ma ne ma wodo mo pe no wo msa nka de a oye kire no wono be sa ye biem e wo man Ghana mu.
I think you have seen the effects on those who have lost their loved ones. Almost every mortuary. We are Ghanaian citizens. We are law-abiding human beings. We believe in our country. We are here serving God and country. The most important part is that we have rescinded our decision not to punish anybody tomorrow, and that is positive sign. Every agitation comes to build democracy, especially when it is that of a positive one. Fighting for freedom is good for this country, and I think we must all build on it. What is happening is that yesterday we met the government team, which is our employer. They wanted 2 months, ending of October, to resolve these matters. We disagreed. We thought otherwise. They did not declare the strike for us. We declared our strike because we thought we were not treated fairly. What is going on is that we have decided in the interim to keep the strike in abeyance. The reason is that almost all those who have the mandates are outside this country representing our people in the General Assembly, in the UN General Assembly.
Any awoti ye churchofo penin de magana de hia wonu bi adwuma ewa mukrabia ahodo o my Ghana mo ne den de Richard Kofi Jordan ne ne na woti ye enu achi ne ba modern bohura mu wasante matanum ne kopie mu okonfo na teaching hospital hono na afin so tafo abanya sabia ye kopie mu hono majaze ne emukrabia ahodo hono mu nyina mpenifo de credo tenten ade atomo mu wie ye nso ene ekrojan akobbo ano mu kirem se dabi wane wonya adwuma na dihye bi eboko wura mu kirem se ma dihye bi awunti enka jam ko peja mu kwa kwasie na nso mo koya ageta when mama den any dey kasebo etwetwen komo emu kirem nie.
Because my brother is dead and I came to do the papers that we will receive and then bury him. They are telling me they are on strike, yet As for those bodies that are to be released tomorrow, they will do it. And after that, they will be embarking on the strike.
Any awoti ye ayadishe bia. Wanum wa santimanta mankeja endrada. Wanum kwa kwenye umamu ede mfijezani emukurabia nanzo moko ye no. Amfa ma wanum ena wote wanum akwisemin. Enu wachina kopie asantimanta animu chairman edema eye mo wakuo no eye Beniza esirifi. Ono so aka se kyerem se nneema hodo ha ono na edoso ye panti na nam so a wono me ye nti aban wa mpa ne ho asema yakopo ya adoma hinu bosumen ne de to so du omo ne ho moden se ebisade be na mo de to na nimo no onfa ma ono mente sada ye kye no wono besan ahyase bio.
Our salary arrears, equipment, and so many things. When we go to so many mutual, a place where 20 people supposed to work there, we go and meet other 5, 6, 7, and the work too is very, very hard unless you get more hands so that you can work together. We have met and discussed everything. Then since then, nothing is been done about it. That's why we are struggling. That's why we are calling strike right now so that Aban or government may know what it's supposed to do so that it will enhance the work.
Any awoti ye aya Ashanti regional chairman Eddie Mowak Ekuono. Ne den Eddie Ebenezer Esrifi nene ena awoti ye.
Yentu awia pram to breka sebo no eso. Ye di free cry pumpure manta mudu tan kesi ayase ewo nyu DL wo hanensia. Echiripo enkono. Ye bo ade awramu ewo galamse ene illegal mining sensem no emu a. Na pani kwankyerefo a wono ana strategy, research and communication wodano. Ewo office of the special prosecutor. Eye Samuel Apiadako. Wodatu da kyerem se ye kasa yi. Office of the special prosecutor me ame wafase. Kisi aja bi kyerem se wontimi ntena se emase bieburu eduadu mfrani mesi kotienti. Wa sha se se wonom eye hwehwemu. Ede afa illegal mining no ehom. Wopani da ko wobra won nsam trofo di nkomo no ana wo kyerem se ye wonipa no bi wo honom a ye ma wonom prospecting license pe nanso awi akire wo mo de aka kwa ye agufom asa Ghana yensuo ene Enquires bretu enunti ensam ni bia ba bedru office of the special prosecutor eye wo mo table so wonom to na mo se wo be hwehwemu na obibia no a yama ne nkrata na nkrata de ma no wafa kwati kwan asa Ghana ye forest ni yensuo ensuwa no Ghana mra atimi adi afi so obi wo honom a wekirem se wono de na aban na aba wonfa boga nya soan he ene forest no moto banje ban kura no a obobo wuram atu ase no wo se wo mo nyina so no OSP eye hwehwemu a semra ne che wo mo a emra no ebe wo mo ho adwuma emu nsem ne.
Are you complying with mining standard? If you are not complying, with mining standards, you have breached the law. That will be police and the other agencies. But then where we will come in is where are you in the forest reserve because you circumvented the processes by giving maybe somebody incentive, blah, blah, and you allow them to be in the forest reserve. Then we will come in. So ours is more difficult and more nuanced. But the bare phase of mining that you see, those are just that will be for the police and the other law enforcement agencies. And if, so you are right, so what we call, I like to always use the UK language, persons of significant control. If they have filled their beautiful and say they rather put Kojuman who doesn't have anything as the beneficial owner. And let's say we didn't have verification, so when you check the form, you realize that it belongs to Kojuman.
NIAT Director of Strategy, Research and Communication at the Office of the Special Prosecutor Samuel Apiadako. Na enwachi na wo chirem say brasom say law enforcement agencies no aposifo ni nyina ene bambofo agina tuko ni nyina nkamom na wo mo hwese information hodo a wo mo sabetimi aka e dia fa illegal mining ho no wo betu ho na mo yie na yakwati ase wo man.
Then the other one has to do with what many of us have been calling for, a common platform for LEAs. We call them the law enforcement agents. When we say a common platform, we are looking at the situation where we are able to have access to your system and do a quick verification whilst we are sitting in our office. Like I said, if we're already backed by law to demand for information, then it should be easier for ORC to put us on a common platform where we can easily request for information by a click of a button in our office.
Ebusuani ayeti ye eye Samuel Apia Dako wono eye pani kwankyerefo a se eba strategy, research and communications a wono anahweso ede ema Office of the Special Prosecutor ana wode sansem we atu edwa na dwumadie na se no na wopani a wono nso ana ye fund raising manager at the Ghana Integrity Initiative GII eye Michael Bodi wode ato dwa kirem se ekwan ye a apolisifoɔ ne asogyafoɔ etimetena se national security timetena se ema galamse eje wo man yinsam no eye ne nwanwa na we nyina kyerɛ se bambofoɔ no maamoa wa my Ghana kura.
We are seeing the work that the Office of the Special Prosecutor is doing. Many say that, well, he hasn't imprisoned anybody. It's not only about imprisoning people, but even preventing the occurrence of crime in itself is good enough. And then also carrying out education. The sanctions or the imprisonment or the fines and things are all part of the regime.
Eni ayeti yei eyapani a wono anaseba fundraising wadano edema Ghana Integrity Initiative nidin ede Michael Bodi wade sansem we atu edwa
yantu akase ba no so ne yambon famre mu adwuma mu sensem mu na labor expert onu kura yanso eye consultant eye Austin Gamin wakase kirem se omanga na yetim sese no ene adwuma yefo nkabom ko no se nyankopon anya dom pa mfafie na abaya ma na monoto antoto ne ma de bedi baabi no wahwe o my Ghana fa na nyina da adwuma yefo nkabom kura beto mo agu montene so aye ye kire firi se na nsen asitrem aye den pan ebro pani ni samtrafo wakase na okirem se eye de se na nsen wo behu na adwuma yefo nkabom ko nyina da o ye de kwa akoye o ye kire ye nya adwuma biem o ma na yetem ne ho kire dodo abantimi ntua ya katua odimi ntua ono so awonto aketuam enti bra na ye brɛn na Austin Game kirem se de enti ma adwuma yefo esu na musu na ade be adwadwo na mutwa ne nyina ne se aban ne maboa ye din wo man Ghana yetemin ohun aketua so ye de ma adwuma yefo no eye ketekete mampare sabe fia de se wo ba sengreti ohun de adwuma yefo ne gi a wonom entimi emfa ma ho bra o kirem se aban akase atena se aye nhwan ma Ghana yetemin eni mo ma ye den di kirem se economic management team ne de o masa wonom entwataw ne nyina se aban mo de mo no akase nzwani adenti na baba tena se ma adwuma yefo ho akere wonom sam opani kirem se aban pan toton ne no ade o ma no ho boden se ofa na mapa bi nwu akwam ente sa pa de o man Ghana bedi baabi no adwuma yefo nko o man Ghana me beti atwa o man Ghana me bedi baabi no aban ne ho ba kire ne ye pa wakasa kirem se nche bia na Ghana fo ye question ma kwato abanti aban pa na wakasa pa de o ma no ho ba ntoto ne ma nyesa da e bedi baabi no adwuma yefo nko nyana be wakoye o ye kire ma ban ne ho akire no emu enchire mu nie.
I think they have a Herculean task on their hands. If you see a rat coming out in the afternoon, it means there's trouble somewhere. So clearly, we have danger on our hands, and the employer will have to marshal all forces if they can forget about the traditional partisan politics and invite other people with experience to help resolving some of these problems, the better. Because the National Labour Commission is overwhelmed, particularly because there is an existing agreement between the employer called government and the various unions, and they have signed voluntarily to honor these obligations, and now they are reneging on it, particularly the tier 2. Because many of the colleagues of the stock of the union may be proceeding on their retirement shortly, and for 10 months or so that you have not been able to transfer their due money to the fund managers for further investment and expecting return on the investment. Obviously, they will get upset and demonstrate the concern that they are demonstrating now.
106.9. And wachi ena Austin Game esansu kirem say adeba ko ha dwen yeni pa ne sa manyoko mo ti o maga na ba nwa so yi sa wonu mu fra kwanwa so a ensma hodo ehye Ghana adwumayefo bi ebo a wonu maka no o mo ntumi ani nyu ho pe ena eso mo ntumi anya ho hwera mo kopera mo de ko na yeso ha ne da so ate ho a e ha dwen di wagaza kirem say yema moden yan hye bi betimi aboa pa na political transition no ne mo betimi akoye na ha hodo bi e wo man mu a empere mo betimi aso no sa ba ne mpo ne akwanwa so a e betimi abo aba fofra beba no etimi aso no eno simu enkyere mu nie.
What we should trigger right now, the transitional arrangement for Ghana should be triggered now. 3 months, less than 3 months into election, the transitional arrangement should be triggered so that people with independent mind who are not politicians, who don't have anything to do with the ruling government, should be the one now, together with government, sitting in some of the cases. So they cannot promise anything to bring about problem for the next government. Unfortunately, we are not very mindful about that kind of arrangement. So if you ask me what they can do, they should have independent bodies within the transitional arrangement. We have a law like that already, so that they can sit together and resolve such matters with the guarantee that even if it's a new government, the government be aware that this has been done genuinely with a transitional arrangement.
Labor expert and consultant Austin Gami Nene NOTA.
Yentwe we apram to break ase bono eso. Na yesi nkonya so na kire sensam no doso papa pa se wokra bata ho hwin nanso ye betide nyina agu fom eno nti wadwen kire fa bra yen e wo Facebook no eso e DLFM 106.9 yeto akase bono so eda so agire mu e wo apade anwumaku ahodo a wono ate atuan na se Ghana fo beka ye a be se beresantinie ana eye akyerɛkyerɛfo nkabom kubatan ene kyerɛse wo mo a edipa wo maimu wo mo nkabom ku ahodo be se enum wo mo ate atua wo mo din eye Tertiary Education Workers Union ye twantia se tewu ana Senior Staff Association of Universities of Ghana wo mo so ate atua afenso no Federation of Universities Senior Staff Association of Ghana ye twantia se FUSAG wo no so ate atua be se bosome kakra enie ne nyina no ene se eniema hodo bi esesa nkaban ne de ma wonom ema wo mdwumadi a wo modie ne timisi esita no aban we aboye mfita duku a wonya na adwene se wode ema wonom kura enunti wo mo akirem se ye no anesan ana amen se wo mo bekoso aye adwuma na wo makade enso a ye de be ma wo mo no aban we atwetwe na ase a ye atwe wo madwuma na ase se bi wo wianam enunti wo mo kirem se de ekoso no wo mo ante ase efire se aban didi enunti wo mo nso adwumayefo no wo mo didi a eyeyie wono ma ate atua enam so ma enu akrampo ana eye Technical University Senior Administrators Association of Ghana wono so ye twantia se TUSAG wono so de atodwa kirem se ene ya ye kasai wono so be sha atuatia se na no na eye kire se Executive Secretary ade ema Vice Chancellors Association of Ghana ne din ade Cynthia Sana Peglo wode atodwa kirem se si anu de enti enam so amasu aposu apa hodo no wono mo atu eda sesa nko mo di bia school no wo mo to aseda ne nyina no enne se wono mo ate atuen se wo mo ho no mo a na eso fere se bi empene se ye nkwado nyina no wo kan se kan ya no wakai akotokure wo tirem se wono mo ate atuen se wo mo eni ho no mo a suapon ahodo no nyina adwumadi a wo mo edie no entimi enkonka ne fere se wo mo kan ho bi ana eso efere se eba enwuma ahodo bi te se sanitation se ahonedie bekoso ewo Yesu apon ahodo no mu a wo mo ate atuan wo mo adwuma nanso wo mo ni ho no mu e bendan ana yetimi abie school ama nkwada no aba betena efimu afenso no utility management se bia ensuo ene sa ne manema ne nyina no wo mo wo mo adwuma no wo mo ate atua ana afenso no lecture horse ahodo a nkwada no betena sua de ama lecturers nso aba ho no nyina no ye wo mo ho adwuma wo no mo so na ate atuan enu nti se kobasa se wo mo ni ho no mu a na suapon no bedan atimi ayadwuma enu nti one day wo kan the place atuatia no a Ghana for mrantie ne maba wana atie no ahasuapon no enu nti sabane wana mo bi a wontu ne ntam.
Some universities were going to reopen we're in September, I guess, and October thereabout, but many will also have reopened sometime in January. Their first years will probably have come in January.
So for those universities, what are they having to do now with the strike on?
We have scheduled some meetings to be able to get some information and see the way forward.
You have to stay home a bit.
Of education whenever is following, and a couple more probably will
Is it fair? Can the university, because you are in that space, can the universities function without TEU, FUSAG and all the other?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. You can't study in a dirty classroom if your washrooms are not clean. Students come all day, be at their lecture spaces all day. The lecture rooms may not even be opened. The washrooms will not be clean. The classrooms will not be clean. These unions, the members of these constituents are in charge of utility services, sanitation, and all those things. And if they are not there, you can't manage unless maybe you want to outsource at a very high cost to you.
enti ebusuani ayeti ye eye twerɛtwerɛfoɔ pani edema Vice Chancellors Association of Ghana ne din ede Cynthia Sena Peglo wone yenua pani Evans Mensa ewo Joy News ana wone no edi saa enkomo yi
ya toa kasebɔ no so ane ede body awuramu ewo nsonsensemu na Ghana Water Company Limited fa bonten abeka sa yetrim sɛ o twidi ampanyankopɔn wa fafie nti wonma moden akoto mfidie mmono mako nan eba beboa pa won pumping system no aba ne ma timi akoma Ghana de hye nso sɛ nsuo pa ye pɛ ye hia wo ye fiafie ne adwuma so de adi dwuma no na nse de ye ho ntimi nkyere betimi aboa pa ma ma atimi akoye pratitiriw ene enkabopre matemu ne mperifo aka sɛ kyerem sɛ emfidie wera mo saka na betimi aboa pa mamudwumadi o mudie mu sɛ afiafie mu na afisi enwuma so no enso atimi abusu pan ne mperifo aka sɛ mo kyerem sɛ nanse beto dwa sɛ mo fide mo didi mu dwuma no mako je na e water pumping system no mumu mako mienu e break it down e we weja treatment plant no hono ma e ko ha dwenye pa ma jese mia hodo bi na ha dwen a mo kyerem sɛ na mfidie yi enso ahodo otimi so prime yense tumi enya nso bi no ma ye 26 million gallons a etimi so prime Ghana de je tumi nya nso petimi nam nanso enam timato etimi ba mo mfidie ne ho ntene na du baabi na setrema ya de ma ade ma Ghana de hye titiri ne yane ma ye wo enkabopre matemu da tante nsem we mu na mo kyerem sɛ mfidie na sɛ yente no na wodwumadi a mudie no eso etumi kwate ya hamgye chemu gye se aduo no me che 20% ne tumi te mu kyerem se ha dwunye power ka bopre matemu kopie mu achem wata efiso aye Westlands na afisa bobolosi ne mpatamu no ekoko ha dwunye pan na regional chief manager engineer Charles Tulashi wakaza kyerem se anamo pan nam so mo de tu sa na ma we nyina ne se one person manga na de hye jese ne ye hutumi toye mpa na afiso so sensem so no ekwa ahwe na so tumi te ne bom etuotumi atwante na nam so mbo moden ekofa video di ba betimi abo Ghana de hye enso de di adwuma e wo yen fiafim na afin so ye nwuma so no etuma kwa de mayen emra ne samtrefo di mu nkomo no emu enchire mu nie.
The total capacity of our average production is 120,000 cubic meters a day. So that is our daily. When you is about 26 million gallons a day. Now within this the last 3 months we've had challenges with our old pumps that we are using. So it has reduced production to about 20%. We are short of production for about 20%, and this has affected areas such as part of Achimota, Tesano, North Kaneshi, Dansuman, and Kaswa corridor. So the amount of water which we are supposed to produce to our customers have been shortened by 20%.
Any awoti ye ukopie mu a ewa Ghana Water Company Limited no mu hono ma oya regional chief manager ne den ade engineer Charles Tulashi nene ana awoti ye eno achi ana board member ede Ghana Water Company Limited no Dr. Hamidu Alhassan ono so jemelise ntwafo kasa na ochirim say de ente na mamkoto asam fidie mo no chanwe di ba baba boa pa mansuo ho no etime agya ne naso magya musika sam so etime agya ne naso firi say Ghana de hye mutumi nya nsu pan no ne nsu tumi buso mu afiafie ne mu nnwuma musu a etumi bo am so mutumi tua sika metse ne Ghana Water Company Limited no ebetime nya sika etumi abo ma gya o man Ghana yensu nso etimi agya ne naso ono so je melise ntwafo kasa ye no emu enchire mu nie.
What clearly we are trying to do is to do a restoration of capacity. If we are pumping, efficiency drops. With time, you would have to restore capacity. And that's what they've been doing with their maintenance team. So, but it gets to a point you just have to replace the machine completely. And that's what we are doing right now, clearly. If you were getting 26 million gallons from a facility, and now that has to drop to about 20 million, then or 21 million, then you know that definitely there's going to be, even 1 million gallons is going to create a deficit. So what that does is that for rationing, the purposes of rationing, if you are getting water 3 times a week, it might deteriorate. Those who are at farther places where pressures are not really very good, with one pump being down, it worsens the situation and you might not even get. That's why we are very much concerned as about. So we've directed the company, and fortunately, rightly so, they have reprogrammed their rationing schedule. So that's been done.
Any awoti ye a board member at the Ghana Water Company Limited, no, ne den Dr. Hamidu Alhassan, nene ana awoti
ye free Ghana Water Company Limited, ni akwa kopie mu ewo Electricity Company of Ghana ECG. Na enene nansa ana managing director sabre na wohweso eye engineer Samuel Dubik Mahama. Wade nkrata aba bonten kire mu se bema beye bi. Na enso wa meye ni nyina enu nti adwuma wo ye se managing director Emma ECG no one kasa wade ato ho no mo a wa resign ye na we kire mu se di ntia we gina so a wade nkrata no to form ade na dwuma ba wie no personal reasons we no wontimi moso enkyere nsem trofo esan se sade yira waboa wokusie ni bom mu a wono ahwehwe na ade sa asem we beto form pe ana African Center for Energy Policy ye twa ntia se esep wonom no seba anyinam ahoden ene ye fa anwo ho nsensem a ene ye wo mo abiri mu pa wo mo sene kokote na wo mo de beto dwa kyerem se wo hwa eye resign a opani an din ede Samuel Dubik Mahama a resign no a akyere pefe se Electricity Company of Ghana ECG board members ni nyina wa bombon enu nti yampa mo no animu ya wo kyerem ese adenti ana efiti kwata person nie ECG for enti menyeji sika a wo betimi ade manage adwuma wo mo yese ECG no ama se Ghana ye kwa ho kyerem saa na wobra wo mo kasa wonsam trofo nhia mu ase no wo pani an din ade Kwadwo yawche wono no se eba petroleum and conventional energy ewo esepua wono ana wodi animu wode ato dwa kyerem se efiti 2017 ebepim 2022 no kyerese ECG wono mo revenue mobilization se bia wono mbedi gisika ede aboa ma wo mudumadi a wo mudi etima konkane no kyerese 295 million Ghana cedis 2017 ama se na ababedru 9.9 billion eye Ghana cedis 2022 we nyina kyerese ECG no eye managing board no atimi ahwe ama adwumakuo no egu enam so bi ama kyerese engineer Samuel Dubik Mahama no kura ho ahi ana wode a resign ya no nti wo kyerem se animu ya no se empanifo atie wo mo a wo mo hwe na wo mo endissolve eye board no ema ECG nti sade a wo man ye bedie dokono kwa Wapani eye Kwadwo yawche wakasa ne munsem nie.
We didn't give a timeline before the top man has left, so we expect that given that they also pretended over the inefficiencies, if the top man is gone, they should all flourish. So we are not giving them any ultimatums, but we expect that they do the right thing. Or the appointing authorities see lessons from the resignation of the CEO to be able to dissolve the board and reconstitute a proper one that would fix the problem.
Enti ebusuani ayeti yeyi eye wopanimpa wono se eba eye petroleum and conventional energy ewo African Center for Energy Policy esepwa wodi muntintimai ni din ede Kwadwo yawche an wakasa yeyi na eno achi no ana energy analyst ne din ede Dr. Yusuf Sulemana ede atodwa kyerem se ekwan a yedi ECG no Ghana yede yamanyosem no eka ho bi ana wo man ya brabo eya to api impulumpush.
An individual cannot do all the lifting if he's not getting the support, especially if it's an government, an SOE, and he's not getting the right support from the political class. It's just going to be difficult, and so the end is always going to be this what we have. So yes, we need to build strong institutions that are free from political interferences, from political class interferences in their day-to-day running of those institutions.
Wapani ani din ede Dr. Yusuf Sulemana wono waye energy analyst and wode sansem we atodwa echirem se amanyosem a yedi ECG no eye no eka ho bi ana yenkan kro wo men yentimi emitie no na eno achi ne krakra mukura no ana director Edema Center for Environmental Management and Sustainable Energy Edema African Center for Energy Policy eye Benjamin Ensia wotirem se ehun behia se ba bia dro no o man no ye mount investigation ehwehwemu na ekwan ECG fa so mdu omudwuma no wo man no ye hwehwem eno so munsem nie.
We believe that Dubik ought to have been sacked earlier, but since he has come out and decided to resign, it's a good call, and maybe further prominent investigation needs to be done. For a longer term, we think that ECG needs privatization, and this privatization can only be done when government injects liquidity to offset certain liabilities and makes it very viable to be listed on the stock.
Eni ayeti ye director Edema Center for Environmental Management and Sustainable Energy Edema African Center for Energy Policy ne din ede Benjamin Boache ana wode sansem we etu edwai abusuya ye kenka kasebo no ede free enkra pumpure mantam eye bofotene ba ko atifi epoye atoye ene anafo wo bia edi yen ayaw DL Wahanisia ekiripo enkono na yenko Facebook no so na Ghana fo adwenkyere eye very very important ehia pa yankin kan fema edom ene mpempem na piaga wadiaba en chese amanyosam ya ne de menkin kan frese ye moso kokan wo party headquarters ana odoi edifretema ana no so wadiaba yi the also the buy in Yesrewada, and Fakwem, Yentimen Kinkai Ewaha. Na bra pani Charles Mante, Bosu Kina, Bosu Denche, and Rameman assignment to say demonstration no. Friends, and 1 more year war. UN one headquarters on. Yeah. Anka since the say were US correspondent to.
Sanity okon.
Were DLFM annex US. Anka one konko di achire. Na konfa hwehwe mumra. Bepem ne wenye no ho asem bebechine. Na we say Ghanaian leaders have no regards for demonstration because they are always and mostly turned into dance halls. No sense of agency felt. Which them say were made the entire penny for no demonstration. Woman fanya hwe no ene say wo mo ekwa demonstration no wo mo de koyasa ene aduane die ensuo nom ene on beji wo mo ni saa wo demonstration as intini penny for hu ni say hwe nkan yai eno kure pa ano bra pani ede aben na mamenkwa ha na Raikon the classic ano say hi DLFM. My name is Joshua. I am watching you live from UDS Nyankpala campus. The news is fantastic and fabulous. Clear and truly talks from DLFM News Casters. Yeda sipam. Nyame wenshraw. Ana Kofi Parliament. Wase Antigana sikasem. Ebeye ye peni. Wa my be kurani. Wase wo tie live edi free. Eye Aguna Bobikuma in the central region. Ana miami wafa say Josephine Nana Ajiman. Wase wafa Gangster Cat. Memoaha. Wode Kwadwo Sammy. Ye Joso papa. And I say I am enjoying the pictures and videos of Inogai news. Was it please? I haven't received my ticket yet too. Still waiting for you. Mo yada se meto amadodo ahia na ape ye frotia na najimanyom who design. Na Hansi Ndiodu. And was it good afternoon wako ene Kwadwo Sammy. Thank you very much for your good work done for Mother Ghana. I am watching you live from Atomic Hotel Dansuman. And was it greetings. Enkoma Yewra Charles Mante US Mantreso na chief of staff Mr. David Mante wano to see news no edemo papa wo Cape Coast North in Suachi na chief of staff no yemi esankwa na yete ase edro bi anka dem ti akura yete awo papa nyame wonhyira wo ana Doris enim and we say good afternoon to you all DLFM news no papa ana wono nso wode abai koso a trobrofo ne bra ya sede no ye beka ni nyina gufom na Doris biem and we say loud and clear ewo insawam dobru and we say wofa how are you doing me wofa say me ho aden pa se brezi ahoma ye gina we so agya aboafo nkrato ye ba apakan atena say sports is up next. Jack makwako hunu new lucky electricals na wura mu a eniema ewo ho no esia brochire wo niema hodo bi ti se cables main switch ceiling fan switch and sockets lights and also wo chandeliers floodlight street light spot light surface light any lights ahodo PVC pipes trunkings any breakers ni nyina bi ewo new lucky electricals. New Lucky Electricals, wholesaling and retailing. Nasa wope ba konso a ubetimi abowrem. Eno nti some ye companies, we ye fiera, and nasa mo ye contractors. Na mo pe enkane ahodo ene electrical cables ade adi mudwuma de. Fo ani kire mo New Lucky Electrical. Wo ye delivery service. Eno nti ba bia wo bia no, ye betimi de niam no abrel. Na dodo a wobeto no so ne discount a ye de echewo. Wo branches ahodo pi. Accra Central or Opera Square, or Ben Wisconsin International University ewo North Legon womo any DLFM ana eye opposite Westland so wo Simabrew Fashion echi hope Achimota New Station New Lucky Electrical Eben Shell Filling Station no wo betimi afre number 0559 37 17 63 esa your WhatsApp anase 0244 21 25 01 wo betimi so asa afre wo mo ewo 0245 02 46 29 New Lucky Electricals. We add value to your homes.
It's official. DLFM 106.9.
In that theater, we my Samoa and Samoa Kwabam from Radio. Ohani Sia, a cheap on chrome. Emre is a good moment, Yebe Sinkunya, na a good moment, Samonson, Samaya Babarono, Ebusia Bani at the Besmo, Ghana and Samoa, and Uncrophone Cross the account, a big Bremodian so count, near the Tiesa Wate, na Edi Kasa Canebusia Atanasia, yet de Ebabesmo, Mia Media good year when Samana de Banon, a dear Major Sono, a young swan of the share. Upper Kanjih, the Blazer Kinebusia Menshia Mfanfi Ghana Mrantia, Esia Kan Ewa Manone, na Omon Samona Memfengu Fem and Famadia, and Ra Europa League game bako Ecoso, entrant Frankfurt Etanafi, Ewa Germany, almost Canamiansa, Emma Victoria Prison, Efi Czech Republic, almost so Eshemiansa, na Enija Sam Anese, former Becheb United midfielder, our Ghanani, your friend Prince Edukwabna, and Rono no second goal no Edema Czech Republic sider. You're from Victoria Prison on the 86th minute. And a brantia, your friend Prince Edukwabna, Eto Satrano, Edema Victoria Prisoner. We are doing come at the Asumo in Derry. Now, Metwan Samnosono, Mimpium our Denmark, or more second division team being, you're from iShock IF, officially no, or Mount Valley, former Bechem United defender, your friend Joseph Kimfo, say in the Roma Sani Joseph Kimfo, Edina F. Bechem United, a Brante Babesia Kain, at the Amamo, our Denmark second division, Michema Tima, you're from iShock FFA, you don't come at church at the Atwenim, na Obekaya, former Bechem United, Omo player in the Wasaba back, Osia Kandimamo, your friend Augustine Okra, Okopium our Tanzania, Ekosia Kan Edema Bobokwa, you're from Young Africans, na Abrante Edu baby, Nisika Binia Diadena Ketua, Young Africans Entia, Abrante your friend Augustine Okra, Bomo, Omo Yoma Drinse Omuntia, Inti Otebriumo, Edikopiemo, FIFA Kache, Se Omo Shishin na Omombo Young Africans, na Omuntia Nisika Famam, FIFA Edi ruling Naba Mountain, Omo Chilema I, na Ketua Bia Kemono, say Young Africans Forum, Omuntia, Edema Augustine Okra, na Sikano, $24,400, and any say Young Africans, Etua Edema Augustine Okra, or Mama and Nama Kumaku Eduasa, say Young Africans Entuasa Scanner for 3 seasons, no, on Bebani or Omuntumin signing play bia, and in summer if you are made the one some Eddie Atwenim, Mr. Set Pound, a National Sports Authority Board Chair, na Wakasa or see on your Omwa, Ekase local place, Yamo Wakwenya, na Blasters, no Monsu Ghana for Mumbobino, or Simubia Mokasano, or Nemo Yadrin, or Sim Redu, set local place, Yabamo Akwenya, na Blasters, no Monsu Etumia Bobby, or see your local place Nibia, or Mumone hour Suyepa, I am Mama Kwenya na Blasters no, on Betumabo, into on your suggest say Yamfa quota system, and Yaduma, say Ebiene Tembia Bea Kola Biano, Blasters players where 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and they say from a quota system no, Yamfan to and from a local place no, Senabe Omonso able to mania Blasters Nibiabo, winning summer, National Sports Authority on board chair, Mr. Set upon Eddie Atuga, you're breaking it down, Eddie Atuenim, 2024, Wafu Zombie, under 20 African Cup of Nations, shall say October 17th, Eret Womusa, Aquaquisi 31st of October 2024, Ewo Togo, Yemfriche ya, na Drono Ababetoja, Ghana, ya PM Ewo Group A, say NIT, Togo Ewo, Niger Ewo, Ghana Wo, Ena Benin, and so PM Wo, Group B no, say NIT, Nigeria, Alata ya Fono, Ome PM Wo, Burkina Faso Wo, Ena Côte d'Ivoire, and so Ewo, na Drone Etojano, and Central for Yetuben, Desmond Ofe, Ghana National Under 20 Men's National Team no, Omu coach, and Yenini Didinko, say Drone Abo, na Desmond Ofe, who Drone saying, and I say after say Omoji All African Games no, we lose players be about 9 to 10 players, Omu Nyina Figana, Eddie Omania Chinwa Manonia, Omu Kosi Omakain, Enti Ama rebuilding na Oye no, Aye challenge Kessie Eddie Amanemono, Omenya quality players via a ababe she team no ma o gidie se omo ko eye wafu under 20 Cup of Nations zombi no ombetumi e showcase omo talent e tournament na say na otwane samso no e na yebisansa anboabo akra no etisan no se o anboabo no enyama e koso na mo se na okan na no omelusu omo best players video na mo gradually omo de omo abehye team no no omo grow into the team a ohwe nim se tournament na be hye no ombetumi a get better winning some Desmond Ofe Ghana under 20 men's national team no omo coach edi atudwa ye de won some edi amount nanse ya na me de beto anim say Yusuf Bazigi eja Hazakes ladies boboko no edi nani ache wo Tanzania wakwakofa boboko a ye fa ne Simba Queens of Tanzania na Endra Wakasa o se ne target ene se o de Simba Queens for no ebe wini Tanzania ema no omo Premier League no na aboama boboko no enso afa ne ntoma pefra we ne sama Yusuf Bazigi edi atudwa ye de amao ukopiem awo pram Ghana Soccer Center of Excellence eho ena 2024 Ghana Women's Premier League Super Cup no ekoso na nano pay semi-final games no atudwa result say na ekokoye semi-final one game no surprisingly Hazakes ladies atanase Emma Dreams ladies abo mekanimi no ometumi atimu ba kwenteme no ka say Dreams ladies a qualify akopiemo ewo finals awonsam no ena afenso ampem da kwa ladies omo ye adwuma no omo chi Faith ladies ebo mekanan Emma Faith ladies atimu ba kon entime no ka say ampem da kwa enso akopiem ewo final enti emanu Super Cup no final no is set Dreams ladies any ampem da kwa ladies ena ede ebo ani a enwo no Sylvester Simba midfielder Edema Basket Holy Stars or say players esi akan o Ghana no omo bre enyama nkoye mfama omo esanse sika eni league no enti teams no entuom kaye enti obesra ban omfa ne 90 mo non support clubs no na omo ntumi ntua players eti Ghana esi o makan no omo ntumi ntuom kaye anya sadia kwana players no ebefi Ghana akọ ema ye league ni ye football nso egu Sylvester Simba ninsam eno no nyame yadoma na otwe Ghana Premier League match day 4 Asante Kotoko ene brekum Chelsea ene edebo ani Dr. Prosper Natogum coach Edema Asante Kotoko osise Kotoko ebetuma hye brekum Chelsea ya dia ba ko pe adwuma den hard work ene so omo ye na omo de hye brekum Chelsea na arewo sam afi Kotoko akache eba ne se omo Sudan defender ye friend Esmat Abdul Hamid no unim say apply against Young Apostles wakwakoye surgery na omo chema na otwe makomako ensia no abrante friend Esmat Abdul Hamid no obetna chiri a ontumi ensia kan emfama Asante Kotoko eno na Dr. Prosper Natogum chiri a osi we no eye set back kese edema Asante Kotoko say Abdul Hamid Esmat watumi pra okotna chiri eye na otwe ensia enwonsam no Zakaria Fuseni brekum Chelsea captain wase na otwe ombetwi mako aya Asante Kotoko ahye omo se na be ya brekum Chelsea omo supporters no omo ni ebetumi agiye pa enwonsam no amankwa mreku eye legend edema Hasofok ose performance last week Hasofok edanedi against Bechem United no na wo fam enshada nso ani sa na the most important thing in football eye wi no omunyae enti ombefa ne sa na going forward no or expect Hasofok players no say omu si akan a ombe show determination winning some legend amankwa mreku edi atudwa okai abrante friend esiedu atobra na osina kan edema bobo ko efe niwe di biase wakone na amanonia sena mpenifo kan no kuntu hwan a na chia na saba enti after 9 years no esiedu atobra is back into Ghana Division 1 League na wasabe sign 1 year contract edi amani former team a eye niwe di biase a ye de won sam edi amam yamfa fie ni nse na yenwura mu kakra bi wa amanonia ene empire ebedwa ewa Africa ha the biggest football game ewa Africa ha the Cairo Derby Al Ali of Egypt and Zamalek of Egypt na 2024 CAF Super Cup no two teams way and omo de burning koso ewo Kingdom Arena ewo Saudi Arabia 9 p.m. in there and na 2024 CAF Super Cup no koso Al Ali Energy last season CAF Champions League no and omo ne Zamalek omo soje Confederation Cup no the champion of champions Africa no the burning way the biggest football game African continent in the Baso Empire Bega Al Ali versus Zamalek CAF Super Cup 2024 why enebeji trophy no emre ene nkrabia enebechira enho ensem no na endra Europa League no games ekoso a match day 1 result ni say na kokoye Fenerbahce 2 Union Saint Gillois 1 Mamo FF 0 Rangers 2 Ajax 4 Besiktas 0 Braga 2 Maccabi Tel Aviv 1 FCSB 4 RFS SC 1 Frankfurt 3 Victoria Present 3 Lyon 2 Olympiacos 0 AS Roma 1 Athletic Club Bilbao 1 and Tottenham Hotspur 3 Karabakh 0 Urama after match day 1 Europa League no say no mutebo netie Bobo Kwefana Ajax Omurikan 3 points and omo ubenya FSAB omo so toss second omo 3 points Lazio toss miensa omo 3 Tottenham toss enaya omo 3 a eto so bebere a yesi abobo so a ade ebechin endra La Liga no games ekoso result say na ekokoyeye Espanyol Etna Fie Villarreal kwasho mekanimi no omo timu bako Las Palmas 1 Real Betis 1 Celta Vigo 0 Atletico Madrid 1 endra La Liga result say na tie nyame adoma ende league na ekoso ewo Europe no matches ebeba so La Liga no ebono so a Real Valladolid and Real Mallorca ede bebweni enti no the battle of the Reals and ebem and offense uremo ewo German Bundesliga no ma ebo anwumere 6:30 a Borussia Dortmund and VfB Bochum omobebo Italian Siano ebo 6:45 a AC Milan and Lecce bebo wo French Ligue 1 ewo France no ebo 5 p.m. a AJ Oze and Brest ebebo and at 7 p.m. no Paris Saint-Germain and Rennes ebebo Brazil goalkeeper your friend Alisson Becker or that nam edema Liverpool Abranten Eko Prae nemo enije sem a Liverpool edi abanechima Abranten e back or a fit na otwi obetumi adat nam na wesi akan edi amabobo kwa your friend Liverpool yede enwonsam edema na yede nsam na si na Taylor project ade we mame na menye na memfa mensam si na upiem ewon nsam a mia mini papa madam fopa your friend Frimpoma Vivian or say ne ne papa birthday or see your friend papa no Tyrus ni tete o Kumasi eho eno ye adwuma ho enti Frimpoma Vivian say ne papa Tyrus ni tete a o Kumasi ene your birthday or say or show happy birthday nyame show na onyo kese na onto nkwandem na odo ye pa say inde no wafa no say oba perekope a bibia nso ye kama ntino Frimpoma Vivian to you ni tete ne papa o se odo ye pa happy birthday and so enko emfama and afenso ne Inspector Dennis Owusu Ibrahim boss Ghana Immigration Service headquarters in every minchao and afenso Sergeant Akwaboa Francis Ghana Armed Forces school no music school no we instructor also nevi minchao ebusiamia media gudi emu na de ba no edi ameje so no ayensu ano de share apakan GH the blazer kin ebusia gudi emu nsema de ba no aha ene yedi besi
10 DLFM 106.9
Yensan ema yetiefo akwaba na yentoa so emfa emfri ha na yebeda yetiefo nyina ase mo amutie ye mo amohwe ye mo amokire mo adwene mo amontimi ankire nyina so yeda mo ase papa kasebo no na wie ya na yede eba no champion Kofi Taylor ede yeko Facebook no eso na Kwadwo sa ene eye DJ Omarion ne wife birthday
o ko sa nete
oh okay
o si din ye Mrs Mavis Omali
Mavis Omari
yeah
okay Mavis
Omari
wow
Mrs
Mavis Omari Mrs Nyame wonhira wo ye do papa
asemba ko a Omali on e ka ne senka wanhia yen sister ya anka wanyo bia
yes sister sen your wife was your sister when her sister
mo dem betimba bi after this no na yen wife
afena wo kasa
okay
o be yesa na manya
say Omali on say se wanhia na anka wanyo bia e na de ba kokro kwan de ka ne se mu mienu nyina hwe ne foni ne da ho no
oh really
no ho fe sentina Isaac oh chai
sentina
onim jompa
mamen kansam ha sentina boy badwuma opesa nka no nsia montamu yi
wow
oh uhwa ne kon atwitwa sa ade nkum o
krachi onim dwam
na adai
onde se menu aba akwan
na no ho mfemfem na ha no na onim dwom pa Oh, happy birthday goes out to you, Mrs. Doris Wahum.
Or there be a Mrs.
Mavis Omari. Oh, nice.
Now the Okunu say, Omumi and Union so. Omo woman in our a bubbles memo.
Woman nice September born.
Me catch it.
Oh, okay.
I could point out my next week. Ayo Mario on the baby.
Ayo Mario dear. And the wife wedding kind.
Me one so much say and some more wallet dear me nim.
Mario on the baby you free no. ANSMP. ANSMP. But in fact, your wife for who offer me your wife for who offer pa. So come for no na Pentecost for one I must say what come for obigre on na yo.
Oh there be any dress seminar kan sa.
O kan say.
O say who ba na okon donwa
na say they
say wafa no wakoma
na say they wusia ne wife and
we no me kon no
dear be na
benyimfo say ade e fe akanfo
na ma kon no hwe say the man obesi de banku power pampam wo kuro
ya kwa ahye ho bekumi ahye ho
I see enti Mrs. nyame wo nsira pa na ya wodai wo mfiri wo suru musuru mesira wo na wo mane hanu ni wanim kwa tenten ya de chewo I see council wo mu Woma wo breso aba wonta na kama na wonim say won fa ye news no so ni agro
dabi
me enfa we manu ansa.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, 6.9 happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you.
Wow. Auntie, happy birthday, Mrs. Mavis Omari. DJ Omarion. If you have DJs almost ano deno, hey, won't me you free mo da.
DJs no ba ko na ye hu ne yire. Aka ye nua ba ko no.
Ka ba ko na aka no.
Na.
Ono de se be ye.
Unu enso ade bia ote mfidie ye chi ode ko online de bia.
Ono e fe ni sheglege.
Na menim so betumi de obi mfo ni amba de abi ho. De ode be ba no. That day no. Na so ye be ye shikuru ba.
Se Kofi Taylor de edru age se ma no omutwa group picture. Here the better so. The man better group picture. 6.9. Enti in fact nyame won shira no pa na wo me mesanko ba mi ankene o nka message so ama no.
Kofi Taylor nso ne die ni. Asemo.
Enti Kofi de edru so a Ghana fo hwe ni mu se eye group picture.
Yo.
Ye group picture ankasa. Ana ema no ede ebeba. Na enu akwadwo emra ne enam no. O Mario ka sembi. Wose sanko enhia na yire a nko ya aboa bi awie
se na me ka kire wose wo enhia na wife anka wonyo bia medical aka ho asem dada
eno kan sam wonam se o Mario se wo pekasa but na se wo pekasa enti wo samra na mo didi no me na me nka na me supervisor didi no na wo yes my wife me se no wo bo ne wife di sa na yes so na adwo ase ukire ne mpamfo so da eba ene ye fiada ayen kaidum ana mebua
okunsanity
wa sha na adwa ebo emo pacho di soma me wate
me di so
na
sendo ade hye na mokoyi omamu a monsanka ni nyina no ye twa adwo na wa ha de ama wo no
mo enti ya so na adwa se okay ene ne mpamfo sexy journalist ana fe nso kwa me afum atwetan for boys prefect wo mo bese nkonwa ene enya asem kotoa akenkanfo mienu medin ade gan stakatia mitenkura wo Okogyeabour Ocran mene
Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy.
Ye jira we sunu de kasebo no esi na DJ Omarion si emfa nwumu e man wife Mrs. Mavis Omari. Wose dofopa mantem ka obantem a kanya na se wafon.
Wa madaya bemo. Nefe obafu. Wa yimi okun mo.